warm cup of turmeric milk or turmeric latte as you want to call it. I'm sure that most of you have already started drinking it or are thinking about starting it considering the COVID-19 situation right now, right? So we are all very well aware of the benefits of turmeric or curcumin, a compound found in the turmeric, that it has antimicrobial activity, it is antiviral, it has anti-inflammatory, it's an antioxidant, it's probably very effective against cancer, right? So I'm not going to discuss about the benefits of turmeric right now. Rather, I want to discuss with you why having turmeric with milk and some amount of fat in the milk is probably the best way to get the maximum potential benefits of turmeric, because having turmeric with milk and some fat will increase its bioavailability. Okay, let's discuss more about it.
The health benefits of turmeric come from a compound known as curcumin. However, when you consume turmeric orally in drinks such as tea, smoothies, soups, curries or vegetable, it is highly possible that most of the turmeric passes through your system rapidly and is not absorbed. This is because turmeric is a hydrophobic compound. It has low water solubility, it has poor absorption and has a low bioavailability, which means that to get a desired quantity of curcumin from your foods, you really need to consume a lot of turmeric. So what about turmeric milk? If you look at turmeric milk, it was traditionally prepared in the Indian households using ghee and full fat milk, which added MCTs or medium chain fatty acids into the drink. Studies have shown that incorporation of curcumin into an oil in water emulsion with 30% of medium chain triglycerides improves its water dispersibility as well as chemical stability. The milk proteins such as casein and whey protein, they work as an encapsulation system as they help to bind and carry the curcumin inside the body and help in the utilization and delivery of curcumin. Furthermore, studies conducted on the effect of heating on turmeric have proven that boiling of turmeric enhances the overall antioxidant as well as the anti-inflammatory properties of the turmeric. All this evidence points out that oral consumption of turmeric through turmeric milk will result in maximum absorption of curcumin and will provide the highest therapeutic benefits. Now let's take a look at how to make turmeric milk.